you, the film Roll Bounce, and a slew of others. Make sure you check out Move Faces TV.
Welcome back to Move Faces TV. I'm on the carpet with Wesley Jonathan. Wesley, what's going on, man?
How you doing? I'm doing good, man. Yourself?
Good. What you drinking right now?
Water. You gotta keep your body clean, the detox.
Tell me what you've been currently working on, man.
Right now, I just finished doing a pilot presentation called Love That Girl. Bentley Kyle Evans is producing it, and it's a great project. Tatiana Lee is the star from Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, so hopefully we get that going and get that kicking up.
I had a big crush on her when I was younger, man.
We all did. Love you, Tatiana Lee.
Where can we find out the latest updates on Wesley Jonathan?
MySpace, Twitter, Facebook, you know all that. Name drop.
Wesley, thanks so much for your time, man.
Thank you, man.
Enjoy the party. I heard Peter Guerrera's supposed to be here tonight.
Wait, who?
That's all I'm here right now.
Wait.
Peter Guerrera.
No, you're much love to be there. I understand. You gotta be a man.
Move Faces TV, folks.
This episode of Move Faces TV was brought to you by MoveFaces.com, where industry friends connect and stars are discovered. Join us at MoveFaces.com.